here we've got our motorbike trailer. This is an 8-foot long by 5-foot wide deck on this one. 3 bays, but these are all, you can take them off and put them wherever you want. This is where the factory have set them up, but you might just want to cart one bike. It just depends what you want to do. We've got some tie down points built into the deck, so they're flush mounted. Tread plate deck. At the back you've got the stabilizer bars, so if you're unhooked from your vehicle, so it's just freestanding like this, you can put these down and secure them. That way when you undo the ramp and put that down and ride up onto it, the back of the trailer is not going to move at all, so it's totally stable. You can ride up not being connected to anything. We'll do the same on the other side. What it looks like when it's down, so you can ride straight up onto it. Piece of cake. 13-inch wheels.